Hello, guys. Welcome back once again. It's the Forensic Junkie. It's a pleasure to be doing this video and to be showing you guys another walkthrough on the Cyber Talent platform. Today, we're going to be doing a challenge called G and P list, and it's on the second difficulty level, so it's basic, just above easy. So, first of all, we're going to be downloading the data set rather. Download here. As you can see, it's a Word document. This is the content of the file. We are told to find the flag, submit it in MD5. As we can see, if we go through this, there is no flag. There is nothing that points us to any flag in this document. So our answer is definitely not here. It's not inside here. But there's something we are missing. And first of all, I want to state that every Microsoft Office file, starting from Microsoft Office 2007, is not as you think them to be. So, do you know that every Microsoft Office file, starting from Microsoft Office 2007, are actually zip archives? So, this file you're seeing here is actually a zipped file. So, what we're going to do is we're going to change this document to a zip archive, and we're going to do that by renaming it. So changing it from docs to zip. Yes. Okay. Yes. So here it is, and it's it's a zipped folder already. So we open it, and this is what we see. So this is what every Microsoft Office file looks like. I'm talking about the spreadsheet, I'm talking about the presentation, I'm talking about the Word software. This is what they look like under the hood. So here's our flag. You copy it, paste it, click submit, and see congratulations, correct submission. So as you can see, that was the flag. It was already in MD5, so there was no need for conversion. How do I know? Because MD5 is hexadecimal 0 to 9 A to F, and that was exactly what that flag looked like. Now, I made mention that every Microsoft file is actually a zip archive. There's more to that, but this won't be the video to start explaining that. If you want to know more about that, I will make a proper documentation and another video, a documentation on Medium. So follow me on Medium, and also another video explaining Microsoft Office forensics. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section.